In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and add shipping policy to your Shopify store. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage the core parts of your store, including your legal and customer-facing policies. Once you are inside the admin area, go to Settings, and then Open Policies. This section is where Shopify lets you create and manage important pages such as refund, privacy, and shipping policies. After that, scroll down until you find the Shipping Policy section. This is the area where you will create the shipping policy that customers can read before they place an order. Having a clear shipping policy is important because it sets expectations and helps reduce confusion about delivery times, costs, and shipping availability. In the shipping policy field, you have two options. You can click Create from Template if you want Shopify to generate a basic starting point for you, or you can type or paste in your own custom policy text if you already have one prepared. The template can be useful if you want a quick structure, but it is still important to review and customize the wording so it matches how your store actually handles shipping. As you edit the policy, make sure you include your processing times. This tells customers how long it takes for you to prepare and send out an order before it ships. You should also include shipping costs, so customers understand whether you offer flat rate shipping, calculated rates, or any free shipping conditions. It is also a good idea to clearly explain your international shipping details, including whether you ship to other countries and if any limitations may apply. Take a moment to read through the text carefully before saving. Make sure everything is accurate, easy to understand, and consistent with the shipping setup in your store. Clear wording here can improve trust and help customers feel more confident when buying from you. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your shipping policy will then be stored in Shopify and ready to use as part of your store's policy information. That covers everything you need to know.